When most people hear the term chlorine, they picture a swimming pool. After all, chlorine is a chemical commonly used in pools to keep them clean and safe for humans. Without chlorine, the water in a swimming pool can fill with bacteria and become unsafe. Chlorine kills bacteria. When the chlorine solution is poured into a swimming pool, it breaks down into different chemicals. Both of these chemicals oxidize bacteria and microorganisms. When something is oxidized, it is chemically changed as a result of oxygen. HOCI, hypochlorous acid, oxidizes bacteria within seconds. In contrast, OCI, hypochloric ion, can take up to 30 minutes to oxidize a microorganism. The chlorine solution breaks down over time, so it must be regularly added to pools to ensure continued safety. Some unfortunate side effects are associated with chlorine. For instance, chlorine has a strong odor that many people find unpleasant. Also, some people claim that swimming in a pool treated with chlorine makes their skin feel itchy. In addition, the hypochloric ion causes some fabrics to fade. This is why a swimsuit can look faded after just a few uses. Nonetheless, using chlorine in swimming pools is necessary because of its ability to kill harmful bacteria. Chlorine should always be handled with extreme caution. It is a strong chemical that can be dangerous. Only adults should handle chlorine after they have read all of the directions. The most common chlorine injuries are burns to the lungs, hands, eyes, and face. When working with chlorine, adults must remain vigilant. They should only add chlorine to water and never reverse the process. If a person accidentally adds water to chlorine, a very dangerous chlorine gas is created. When used properly, chlorine helps keep swimmers healthy and safe.